Hello everyone, my name is Susan Yan. Today, I have something to show you.
Isn't the container in front of you a bit unique? That's right, it's a fish tank made by FoamBox. Today, it's time to clean out this fish tank. You can see that the duckweed I planted of the water surface of this fish tank is already full. Oh my god! You see, their leaves are rotten. Since the fish in this fish tank is native freshwater fish, which means they are relatively resistant to dirt and have strong vitality. So I wouldn't worry too much about the water quality and cleanness of this fish tank. Okay, let's start cleaning this fish tank now. At first, collect all the duckweed and set it aside. Second, scoop out the rotten duckweed leaf floating on the surface. Thirdly, use a hose to siphon water from the fish tank and clean out any dirty from the bottom. This time, I need to change about 2/3 of the water. Fourthly, add fresh water. Lastly, place the duckweed I had just selected and put it back onto the water surface.
Okay, the fish tank is okay now. This is for today's vlog. See you next time. Bye!